Hello, I'm John with Barco University, and in this how-to video, we're going to learn how to configure the ClickShare app on a Mac. So, configuring the ClickShare app on a Mac consists of 3 steps. So the first step, we're going to download and install the app by going to the official ClickShare download page. We'll download the ClickShare from macOS installer. Then we'll open the DMG file and drag the app into our applications folder. Now we're going to go and find the ClickShare desktop app for Mac. So let's go here and search. There's Barco, ClickShare desktop app, DMG. And I will accept the cookies. And here is our download. As it's there, it's downloaded. Now we'll show our downloads. There's our zip file. And there's our ClickShare DMG setup. We'll double click that. Maybe. There it goes. I'm going to drag the ClickShare circle into the applications folder. Alright, that just Bing told me that it worked. So I'm going to close out of this. And now we scroll down our list, we see there is our ClickShare app right there. The second step is to connect the ClickShare button if we're using one, and then we'll plug the ClickShare button into a USB-C or A port that's available on our laptop, and of course you may need an adapter if you only have A connectors. And a drive will appear on your desktop. You're going to open it and double click the ClickShare for Mac OS X. Alright, so you can see here. Okay, so now that we have downloaded the ClickShare application, let's go ahead and fire it up. So we're going to go to our applications page. Scroll down, there's our ClickShare app. We'll double click it. And boom, that's the app popping up. This is allowing me initially to see which devices are nearby that are in the same network scheme. I'm not going to actually use the app, I'm going to actually use the button. So now let's go back and take a look at plugging the button in and seeing if it works. And you can see that the app is active down in my tray. So now I'll plug my button in. There we go, and I'll push the button and we will share live. And step 3, you're going to need to grant required permissions because Mac OS requires explicit permissions for screen sharing and audio. So you're going to go to the System Settings, Privacy and Security. Under Screen Recording, you'll want to enable permissions for ClickShare from Mac OS X. And under the Microphone and Camera settings, for using the CX series, you'll want to enable the access for ClickShare if you're prompted to do so. Additionally, you may also need to click the padlock, enter your password to make these changes, and then you can quit and reopen the app. I'm going to go to our System Preferences, and we're going to go to our Security and Privacy. And we are going to click. All right, let's take a look. Let's unlock it and see how that's set. Okay. So we don't have the ClickShare app downloaded. Yes, we do. There's the ClickShare app. It is located here. So I'm going to go to the camera. Allow apps to use my camera. ClickShare app. Boom. There we go.